Welcome to the Artispreneur Academy. In this course, you will learn how to set up a business LLC or C Corp. Let us get started. First, introduction to business incorporation. What is business incorporation? Business incorporation is the process of forming a legal entity separate from its owners that can engage. Separation. Your personal assets are protected from business debts. Legal identity. Your business can enter into agreements and own property in its own name. Why incorporate as an artist, LLC versus C Corp? Next, benefits of setting up an LLC or C Corp. Limited liability protection. Both LLCs and C Corps provide limited liability, meaning your personal assets are tax benefits and obligations. LLCs, income passes through to the owners, who report it on their personal tax returns. Ownership and flexibility. Now, how to set up an LLC. Step-by-step guide to forming an LLC. Choose your business name. Ensure it's unique in your state. File articles of organization. Submit to your state's Secretary of State office. Create an operating agreement. Outlines how the LLC will be managed. Required documents for LLC formation. Then, how to set up a C corporation. Step-by-step guide to forming a C Corp. Choose your business name. Ensure the name is unique and complies with state requirements. File articles of incorporation. Submit to your state's Secretary of State office. Create corporate bylaws. These outline how the corporation will operate. Articles of incorporation and bylaws. Required documents and costs. Moving on, choosing between an LLC and a C Corp. Which structure is right for your music business? LLC. Ideal for small businesses and independent artists who want flexibility. C Corp. Best for artists who plan to raise capital or scale into larger operations. Tax implications for LLCs and C Corps. Almost there. Frequently asked questions. Do I need a lawyer to incorporate? No, you can incorporate your business yourself by following your state's procedures. However, consulting a how long does incorporation take? Incorporation can take a few days to several weeks, depending on your state and whether you file. So that wraps up. Set up a business LLC or C Corp. LLCs offer flexibility and pass through taxation. C Corps provide opportunities for growth but come with more regulatory requirements. File annual reports, required for both LLCs and C Corps. Remember, art means business.